Hello GO2 Bank users, need to log into your account? No worries, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's go. First, open your web browser and go to go2bank.com. How often do you check your bank account online? Let me know in the comments. Tap on login at the top right corner. Now enter your registered email address and password carefully. Before signing in, make sure your email is correct and your password is entered correctly. Once everything looks good, hit sign in and you are in. Now you can access your account, check your balance and manage your finances easily. Forgot your password? Tap on forgot password, follow the instruction and reset it quickly. If you don't receive a reset email, check your spam folder. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.